Hello guys, welcome to a quick video where I will showcase the DVD special edition from the movie Fight Club. And we have here the front, then the back with the face from Tyler Durden and the narrator who has no name. Then we have here the back with a little feature list here, and here with the text what's the movie about. Then we have here two pictures, and here's some information about the studio. And I would say on this side we have Fight Club here like this. And so when we remove this cover thing, we see here Tyler Durden, Fight Club, use soap. Tyler Durden says Fight Club. On the back we have what we saw before, the Fight Club logo. On the back side we have soap, Fight Club, and here black with some purple orange-ish color in here. And I would say let's open the book. After we've opened the booklet, we have here a little book who says how to start a fight club. We will check this out later. We have here a picture from Mahler Singer. Then we have here the Fight Club logo. Then we have here a text, a caption says self-destruction might be the answer. Here's a picture from Edward Norton, or the nameless narrator. When we open the thing further, we get Brad Pitt, Mischief, Disc 1, The Future, with the picture of the narrator again. Edward Norton, Mayhem. Here is Tyler Durden with Disc 2, the super supplemental. I'm sorry for the misspelling. And when we remove the discs, we will see a picture from Tyler Durden and the narrator. So here we have the booklet, how to start a fight. Here we have a picture of Tyler Durden, Fight Club. On the back we have Jack's captures, because the narrator is named Jack in the movie a few times. Here we have the captures. In Tyler we trust, Fight Club logo again. So when we open this booklet, we here see a picture from Tyler Durden. This caption says, Tyler Durden says you are not your job. Here we have a bit of text. You are not how much money you have in the bank. We have more text, another picture of Tyler Durden. More text. It says you're not the contents of your wallet. Here we have more pictures from Tyler, the narrator, Tyler. And here we have more text. You're not your kahikis. And here we have first rule of Fight Club, you do not talk about Fight Club. We have Tyler, Mahler, Tyler and Jack. I guess that's are the two cops when Jack, wants to break the first rule of Project Mayhem and went to the police station. Here we have Jack again. And here is the first scene where Tyler and the narrator met and where they had their first fight. Here we have Tyler and the narrator again, where they are, I guess, making gasoline of some sort. I don't know. Then we have here Mahler again. You're not a beautiful or unique snowflake. Then we have here on the down hand side the narrator Jack and this guy who went nuts and you know, like destroyed his whole face. And we have here some more quotes from magazines or from, you know, people who reviewed the movie. And here's some more quotes. Here we have a picture of Tyler Durden, Tyler again, Tyler and the narrator, Tyler and the narrator again. And here this caption says, "Self-improvement is masturbation." And here we have some more pictures from the narrator. Flowers Tyler, self-destruction might be the answer, and a picture of the narrator. And that's the back side. Yeah, this was this limited edition from Fight Club. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time.